Good morning, students. Class 10th. It is your first period, and as you know that first period is your math period. Students, today we will discuss division algorithm for polynomials. Now, next topic is division algorithm for polynomials. Students, to understand division algorithm for polynomials, we will take an examples. Students, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. And it is your long division method. Student, 2x square by which number x is multiplied, the result will be 2x square. Now 2x square divided by x, that is x square divided by the x, that is 2x. 2x. X is multiplied by 2x. X is multiplied by 2x. The result will be 2x square. Now student, x plus 2. X plus 2 is multiplied with 2x. X plus 2 multiplied with 2x. The result will be student 2 and this is multiplied with 2x. Now that will be 2x square. 2x square. Now student, if 2 is multiplied with 2x, that will be 4x. 4x. Now we will subtract this from this. The sign will be changed. Plus sign will change into minus sign. Plus sign will change into minus sign. Now this is plus value. This is minus value. Cancel out. Now student, plus 3x minus 4x. The remainder will be here minus x plus 1. Minus x plus 1. Now student, by which number x is multiplied, the result will be minus x. Minus x divided by x, that is minus 1. Now student, x plus 2 multiplied with minus 1. The result will be minus x minus 2. If it is multiplied with minus 1, the result will be minus x minus 2. Now student, minus x minus 2 is separated from above values. So sign will be changed, that is minus sign is changed into plus sign. And minus sign is changed into plus sign, that is cancel out. Now 1 plus 2, that is 3. That is your remainder student. Student, this is your remainder. Student, note down it. Student, note down it. Note down it, students. Now student, and it is your dividend. It is your dividend. As you note that 2x square plus 3x plus 1, it is your dividend. Dividend. It is represented by P of x. P of x. Now student, it is your divisor. It is your divisor from which you divide the dividend. It can be represented by G of x. Now student, it is your quotient. It is your quotient. It is represented by Q of x. Now student, it is your remainder. And it is represented by R of x. Student, please note down it. By division algorithm, and dividend is equal to, student, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied quotient plus remainder. Student, please note down it. Dividend is your P of x and divisor is of your G of x and quotient is your Q of x and remainder is your R of x. Student, note down it. Student, note down it. Now student, we will discuss about exercise 2.3, that is based on division algorithm for polynomials. Student, exercise 2.3 is based on division algorithm for polynomials. Division algorithm for polynomial exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3, question number 1. Exercise 2.3, question number 1. Students, please listen to me. In question number 1, divide the polynomial p of x by polynomial g of x. Students, here polynomial p of x, first part p of x, that is p of x is, that is x cube minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. And student, g of x is, and that is x square, that is x square minus 2, x square minus 2. Now student, you have to divide p of x by g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. Now student, you have to divide p of x by g of x. You have to find out the quotient and remainder. Divide by using long division method. Now student, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 divided by x square minus 2. Now student, by which number x square is multiplied, the result will be x cube. X cube divided by x square, and that is equal to x students. X square multiplied with x, the result will be x cube. Highest degree is x cube. Highest degree is x cube. Now student, x square minus 2 multiplied with x. If x square is multiplied with x, the result will be x cube. If minus 2 multiplied with x, that is minus 2x. Result will be x cube minus 2x. Now student, x cube like terms, x cube, that is x cube like terms, minus 2x like terms. X with like with minus 2 is like term with 5x. X cube is like with x cube, and 3x square, x square is like term with x square, and constant is like with constant terms. Student, x cube के साथ x cube आएगा, x के साथ x square आएगा, x के साथ x आएगा, constant term के साथ constant term आएगा. Now we subtract it students, that is minus, that is plus, that is cancel out. Now minus 3x square plus that is 7x. Now that is minus 3. Now students, by which numbers x square is multiplied, the result will be minus 3x square. x square को किससे multiply करें कि minus 3x square आ जाए. Minus 3x square divided by x square. Now student, cancel out, that is minus 3. Students, x square this will be multiplied with minus 3. Now student, x square minus 2 multiplied with minus 3. The result will be minus 3x square minus, so that is plus 6. Minus 3x square, now plus 6, like term, constant with like term with 6. Now students, plus, and that is minus, cancel out. Now left is 7x minus, so that is 9. Now student, here we are observing that degree of remainder, that is 7x minus 9 is 1, and degree of divisor, that is 2. If degree of divisor and degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor, the further is not divided. If degree of remainder is greater than or equal, then it will be divided. If degree of remainder is less than divisor, that will be not further divided. Now it is your quotient. It is your quotient. And student, now it is your remainder. It is your remainder. You can write such as. Your quotient is that is R of x, that is x minus 3, and your remainder is R, quotient is q of x, and that is your remainder is R of x is equal to 7x minus 9. Student, note down it. Do it fast. Student, we will discuss question third part of question number 1. Question number 1, third part. Now student, what is your P of x? P of x is equal to x raised to power 4 minus 5x plus 6, and your G of x is equal to 2 minus x square. Now students, we have to divide P of x by G of x. Students, in G of x the degree is not in descending order. First of all, we will write the degree in descending order, that is G of x can be written as minus x square plus 2. Now students, P of x is divided by, that is x raised to power 4 minus 5x plus 6 divided by minus x square plus 2. Now student, minus x square, by this number minus x square is multiplied, the result will be x raised to power 4. Now x raised to power 4 divided by minus x square, the result will be minus x square. Students, minus x square plus 2 is multiplied with minus x square. Minus x square plus 2 multiplied with minus x square. The result will be minus plus, that is x raised to power 4 plus 2 multiplied with minus x square, that is minus 2x square. Students, that is x raised to power 4 minus 2x square. Student, here we are observing that x square is not there, that is x, that is constant term. We will separate it. We will write separate, that is minus 2x square. Now students, that is minus sign, that is plus sign, cancel out. Now remainder is minus 5x plus 6 plus 2x square. Now students, minus 5x degree is 1, 6 degree is 0, 2x square degree is 2. We will check, that is 2x square. Students, सबसे बड़ी जो डिग्री है वो यहाँ पे 2x square है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, माइनस x square को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2x square आए, नॉट minus 5x. First degree is 2x square. So 2x square divided by minus x square. The result will be minus 2. Now students, minus 2. Now minus x square plus 2 multiplied with minus 2. Student, minus plus, that is 2x square plus, that is minus 4. minus 4. Now student, result will be that is 2x square and that is minus 4 and plus 2x square, that is plus 2x square. Now sign will be changed, that is plus, that is minus, that is cancelled out. Now remainder is minus 5x plus 10. Student, here we are observing the degree of remainder. Degree of remainder is 1 and degree of divisor is 2. So now degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor. So it is not further divided. It is your final remainder. That is your remainder. That is your remainder, and that is your quotient. That is your quotient. You can write separate it such as that is quotient is q of x, that is minus x square minus 2, and your remainder is that is r of x. You can write such as minus 5x plus 10. Now student, question number homework. Question number 1, your second part in homework. You have to do first and third part also in your fair notebook. Now we will discuss about question number 2. Student, note down it. Student, question number 2, first part. Student, first of all, read the questions properly. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by division the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Student, you have to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Second polynomial को divide करना है first polynomial से. First part, that is first t square minus 3 and 2t raised to power 4 2t raised to power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Now student, it is your first polynomial, it is your second polynomial. You have to divide second polynomial by the first polynomial, and you have to check that first polynomial is a factor of second polynomials. So that you will divide second polynomial by the first polynomial. If remainder is 0, then first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. First of all divide 2t raised to power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Now student, t square minus 3. By this number t square is multiplied, the result will be 2t raised to power 4. 2t raised to power 4. Now student, 2t raised to power 4 divided by 2 square, and the result will be 2t square. 2t square. Now student, t square minus 3 multiplied with 2t square. The result will be 2t square into t square, t raised to power 4 minus 6t square. 2t raised to power 4 minus 6t square, t square like terms, 6t square. Now student, that is minus is plus, cancel out. The remainder will be 3t cube minus 2 plus 6, that is 4t square minus 9t minus 12. Now student, next one is by this number 3t square multiplied, the result will be 3t cube. 3t divided by t square. Student, result will be that is 3t plus 3t. 3t. Now student, t square minus 3 multiplied with 3t, and 3, that is 3t cube minus 9t. 3t cube minus 9t. Now student, your remainder, that is minus and that is plus, cancel out. Remainder is 4t square minus 12. 4t square minus 12. Now student, t square, by which number t square is multiplied, result will be 4t square, right? 4 multiplied with 4 plus 4. If student, t square minus 3 multiplied with 4, the result will be 4t square. 4 3 are 12 minus 12 minus plus. Now student, remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. That is your remainder. If remainder is 0, now first polynomial, therefore remainder is 0. Student, your remainder, that is r of x is equal to 0. Therefore first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. Student, if remainder was not equal to 0, then first polynomial is not a factor of second polynomial. But in this question, remainder is 0, so first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. Student, please note down it. Now student, third part of question number 2 is first polynomial, that is x cube minus 3x plus 1. And your second polynomial is x raised to power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Student, we have to check that first polynomial is a factor of second polynomials. We will do such as in the previous questions. First of all, we will divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial and check that the remainder is equal to 0 or not. Student, divide it. And check the power in R on descending order. Yes, descending order. Power is also descending order. There is no required of rearrangement. Now student, divide it. That is x raised to power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square. That is x square plus 3x plus 1. Now student, x cube minus 3x plus 1. Now students, x raised to power 5. By which number x cube is multiplied, the result will be x raised to power 5. X raised to power 5 divided by x cube. Now student, base is same and then exponent, base is same and they are divided, then exponent will be subtracted. That is x raised to power 2. X raised to power 2. Now that is x raised to power 2. Now student, that is x raised to power 2. Now x raised to power 2 multiplied with this x cube minus 3x plus 1 multiplied with x square. The result will be x raised to power 5 minus 3x cube plus x square. X raised to power 5 minus 3x cube plus x square. Student, like comes x raised to power 5 minus 3x cube plus x square. Now student, subtract it, that is minus sign, plus sign, minus sign, cancel out. Student, minus plus minus and minus, that is x, that minus 4 plus minus x cube. Student, because the minus sign, because the greater value of minus, that is cancel out, and the plus 3x plus 1. Now students, x cube, by this number x cube is multiplied, the result will be minus x cube. Minus x cube. Student directly multiplied with minus 1. The result will be minus cube. If this is multiplied with minus 1, all sign will be changed. That is minus x cube, minus plus 3x. Now student, that is minus 1. Sign will be changed. That is minus plus. That is plus minus and minus plus. This student is remainder is not equal to 0. That is your remainder. The remainder is not equal to 0. Remainder is not equal to 0. If remainder is not equal to 0, now first polynomial is not a factor of second polynomial. Now first polynomial is not a factor of second polynomial. If remainder is equal to 0, then first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. But if remainder here is 2, so first polynomial is not a factor of second polynomial. Students, in homework, exercise 2.2, question number first, second part, question number 2, second part, examples, that is example number 6, 7, 8. Example number 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 you have to do in homework in maths. Students, you have to complete these questions in your notebook. After completion, send on my WhatsApp. Okay, thank you students.